Hi guys, Bimsara from TechB here. Today I'm not gonna do a tutorial but show you guys the latest gcam that can be installed to Sony Xperia xz3. Also this works for Sony Xperia xz1, xz2 as well. If you guys can subscribe my channel, that would be a massive support for me. So this is gcam version 6.2. Normally above gcam version 5 won't work for Sony devices because camera to API support is not level 3. I tried many times to enable to camera to API support by temp-routing ad trying to edit built prop but didn't succeed. This is the closest version to nowadays gcam. But this is not perfect. But somewhat better than gcam version 5. Some features like night light, portrait, slow motion, time-lapse doesn't work because xz3 doesn't support RAW capturing. If I would able to solve this, I will do another video. But since then this is the closest gcam experience you can get. I will show you some samples end of this video. If you like my content, support me by subscribing guys. Quick note guys, gcam only supports up to 8MP capturings in normal mode. But still it got details like stock 19MP capture. Much better than soft captures of gcam version 5.